Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing these two. This is the Erin Condren budget book, and this is the Petite Planner budget book functional sticker pack. This is the Petite Planner. So this is, I guess, supposed to coordinate with this, but we're about to find out. So I ordered these two. These two were free to me because you guys have been using my referral link. Every time you sign up using my referral link, I get $10 in Erin Condren shop credit. So I've literally ordered hundreds of dollars worth of Erin Condren products over the last week or so, and they have all been free to me, including these. So I like giving things away on my channel, and because this was free and you guys essentially, some of you guys basically pay for it, I figured I would give this away. But I don't know when I'm giving this away because I have tons of things that I'm already giving away. I have 3 budget planners, 3 different kinds of budget planners, and I have a budget sticker book and this budget sticker pack to give away. So I'll probably do this like maybe at a later date, but anyway, that doesn't really matter. Just make sure you're following me on Instagram at Shay Budgets so you can enter in any of the giveaways, not just for this one or whatever. So just wanted to throw that out there. This will be given away, just don't know when. So we're going to review this first. It says, the best way to get things done is to begin. Erin Condren budget book. Budget book includes 12 monthly budget spreads, weekly spending summaries, savings goal tracker, debt tracker, monthly savings and expense spreads, and illustrative metallic sticker sheet. On the back, just has a little overview of one of the pages. It says, Petite Planner budget book. Set and reach your financial goals with this adorable and affordable Petite Planner. This stylish book includes 12 months of financial planning and a stunning gold sticker sheet so you can start saving for your most successful year yet. 80 pages, 5.7 by 8.25 for anybody who is interested. And we'll compare this to some of the other little things like the perpetual calendar little book, and we'll see how it fits in the planner. This is a little bit thick, so it's for sure going to be bigger than the perpetual calendar little book. So anyway, if you're going to be the winner of this, my apologies, because it's going to be opened already because I want to review it before I give it away. So there is that. So again, the best way to get things done is to begin. Erin Condren budget book, and it's kind of like gold splatters on a navy background. So the book itself is navy. I know it looks a little purple, but it's really like a navy. And it's kind of like plastic as well. Erin Condren Petite Planner budget book. Every little bit adds up. This book belongs to, and then it has the Erin Condren LLC website, designed in the USA, made in China. So this is the savings tracker. Let's zoom in a little bit on my ugly nails, but I want you guys to be able to see this. So savings tracker month, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So you have enough for 12 months. You can put the month up here, what you're saving for. If you deposit any, whatever you deposit, your total saved. And again, another section for another row for saving for, deposit, and total saved. So you could totally, I like to think about what I would use this for. You can kind of use it for your sinking funds if you do sinking funds, or you don't have to kind of do it for like various different things. You can do it for like one savings goal. So however much you save in January, if you're saving for Christmas, however much you save in January, you can put that here, or then you can do it again in February, and then in March, and then in April, or whatever the case is. So I guess it's up to the person how they want to use it, but you can totally use it for more than one savings goal, or you can just use it for one savings goal. The next sheet, we have the month at a glance. This is pretty similar to the notes page in the Erin Condren Life Planner, the 2018 Erin Condren Life Planner, because it's going to change for 2019. Upcoming purchases, upcoming bills, savings goals. And then you have income, total. You have a housing category. I love this. Anywhere where they have rent, like, I like it because most of them just say mortgage and some of us are still renters. So I like that. And you can put the amount, very simple. You can put utilities. You have all the TV and internet. Ours is bundled together, so I like that. gas, phone, and I like how there's a place to add in one extra thing. Now if you have a lot of different categories, let's say you do have HOA fees and your mortgage insurance by some chance isn't wrapped up into your mortgage, then you're not going to have enough space for all of that. So you may have to put that down in other, but there are only 2 spaces down in other. So I don't have a lot of bills, so this is plenty for us, but it could be troublesome for some people. It just depends. So streaming service, water, sewer, gas, phone, auto, car payments, insurance, gas, medical insurance, copay, savings, general, emergency, retirement, food, groceries, dining out, coffee, personal, hair, nails, gym, pets, childcare, allowances, sports lessons. I like that because my husband and I have allowances. Entertainment, movies, concerts, vacation, hobbies, other. Then you have personal debt, student loan debt. I like that because your car payment would essentially go up there. But I guess you can count that as a personal debt, like the remaining balance if you are, you know, tracking your debt and whatnot. Total income, total expenses, the difference, and the total savings. So the only thing that I'm noticing so far is that there's not a place for that. There's no actual column. So there's a budgeted column, but there's no actual column. But if you play your cards right, and if you write small enough, you can technically just put, like, say our rent is $570, you can write like a smaller $570, and then you can just use a pen to separate that into 2 columns, so you can put your actual if you wish to do so. That's probably what I would do. So here's this page. The next page is a spending summary. So you do have 2 pages, which is great. Oh, you have 3, 4. You have 4 pages, even better. So you can track all of your expenses. So you have a place for date, description, category, and total. And a place for your month, assuming you're, you know, starting this in January. But it's undated, so you could totally start it whenever. So that's all that there is. And then here's the next color scheme. It appears kind of like a red, but on camera I think it looks pink because it looks really bright. So same thing, just a repeat. Then you have a green. Then you have a purple, peach or coral, depends on your take on colors. A darker green. It looks dark green to me. On camera it looks dark green as well. Navy. Basically yellow. Purple, my favorite. And I think this actually matches the color scheme of the Erin Condren planners, so we'll see about that momentarily. Orange, like a dark orange, like a mandarin. And then blue. And then green. And then in the back, let's see what we have. Oh, cool. We have debt tracker. We have blue, green. It's like a red. Oh, this is for every month. Purple. No, it's not. 4, 8. It's only 8 sections. So this is to track all of your debts. So, debt, starting balance, minimum payment, date, amount paid, balance. So this is for all your different debts. So at the end of the month, I guess, let's see. Yeah, I mean, there's no real place. Yeah, there's no place to... Yeah, so at the end of the month, you could come here, yeah, and just write in the date and what the amount paid was, and then for the month, and then the balance. So this is good to keep up with all of your debts. I like this. Really simple. I'm actually liking this, and I love reviewing budget books. Just to have the information out there, I don't really get anything. I mean, I do get excited about doing it, but I just like having the information out there. And that's the end of it. Don't forget, you've got this. Let's Get Social, and then you get this here. Oh, that's so cute. This is kind of plasticky as well. I don't know the fancy terms for this material, but it's kind of plasticky. And then you get this. So let's see what other stickers, or how we could use these other stickers. So we get that. You can also order that separately, and you can order in a pack of 2 if you so desire. So you have budget, savings, payday, some little piggies, a calculator, dollar signs, a safe, bunch of functional stickers. Let me just show it to you. And it is gold foil. I don't really see any silver foil on here, but let me show you guys really up close and personal. A little thumbs up, or a couple of thumbs up, all of the stickers. And then again, you can order this from the Erin Condren website in like a pack of 2, so you can have 2 of those sheets, but this is the one that they're calling the functional sticker pack. I think the other ones are called budget stickers, but I'm not 100% sure, but I'll try to link all of this down in the description box if I remember. So these are just the 2 sheets that you get. I'm trying to see how we would use these in here. I guess if you, because there's really no place to use it for the spending summary, you know, so there's no place you would use those there, but you could use some of those here, so you can even cover up this with that one. And then you can use some of the little checklist stickers for upcoming purchases or bills, or some down here for the savings goals. So I mean, they are pretty functional, and you know, you would have to use them functional. I guess the color scheme matches. It does. The color scheme does match this book. So if you wanted to use like these darker colors here and here, you very well could. So, you know, nothing really exciting about this functional sticker pack, but I did want to show you guys that. And then there is that as well. So let's see how this fits in the planner, and then that'll pretty much, well, let's see if the color scheme matches. I don't know that people actually care about that, but why not check it out? So let's flip to January. And I guess this would technically be January. So, well, that is pink. I doubt this next one's purple. No, it's green. So the color scheme doesn't match that of the 2018 Erin Condren Life Planner for anybody who cares. Now again, this is pretty thick, so I don't know that it's going to fit back here. So I took out the perpetual calendar. Let's just take this stuff out to see if it'll fit. It's not going to fit in there. It's too thick, and if I try to put it in there anymore, yeah, it's busting out the seam, so I'm not going to put it in there because that'll yank that off. Let's see if we could slip it in here. Well, we could, but look how thick it is. Super, like this thing's huge. And if we closed it, it will look like that. So that's probably not ideal to put there. You may have to just leave this at home or carry it around in your purse if you're into that kind of thing. So currently, just for those who are just tuning in, we are budgeting. I am choosing to budget here, so I have all of my expenses and such here, bills, expenses. My goals are down at the bottom, kind of similar to how this is used actually, or how you could use this if you wanted to. Yeah, you could totally, if you wanted to, like, yeah, you could totally do the same thing. Just kind of wipe that out or put a sticker over it and put bills and fixed expenses over here and your variable expenses over here. But you don't really, you know, need to do that because you have all of that. But I'm kind of using that in the same kind of way. And then I don't know that I could do anything with, I mean, I guess I could attempt to. This doesn't have a monthly spread. So that would be my recommendation. If Erin Condren ever asks for my opinion, I would say to add in a page, 2 pages, like at the beginning of the month or at the end of the month, maybe right here, that has a monthly spread similar in here somewhere, similar to this, because I prefer to have this and have all my paydays out here, or all of our paydays, all of our bills just there, and it just makes it so much easier to kind of just look and say, oh, today is this day and we don't, our next bill is due then. All of our bills are on auto pay. You guys know that if you're familiar with how we budget and all of that. But so, you know, it's not like we're ever going to not pay a bill or going to forget because they're all on auto pay. But I just love having this. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys all of these fun stickers in this cool little budget book. That's the first time I'd ever seen one, and I just wanted to, you know, do a review. So I am going to be giving this away at some point. Just make sure you're following me on Instagram so you're notified of that if you wish. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.